I'm Joel Mitchell. I'm the high school pastor at Trinity United Presbyterian Church in Santa Ana, California. I think sharing in how heavy this past season's been with the community and the church here and Pastor Marco, and COVID's been really difficult, and we've had a lot of similar experiences, and it's just been a privilege to be able to pray over this community and to see how the Lord is working, even in the midst of all the craziness that's been happening. And people are hungry for the gospel. And I've been coming down for 7 or 8 years, and I really feel like this community, this is part of our family. And to come down here is to visit our family. And we look forward to seeing them. They look forward to seeing us. And I feel like without this experience, our high school students who come down would have a much more narrow kind of view of God's family, and this just blows it wide open, and just our capacity to see that God's kingdom is bigger, not distracted by their phones. The mentality is, okay, God, how can you use me? How can I bless other people? How can I be here? And we have just people all over the map kind of socially on this team, but every single person is serving and doing something, and there's a lot of unity that comes when everyone's gifts are being used, and that's really cool, that no one's just sitting down or on the outside, and everyone feels like they're a part of this.